Adding a payment method on Base44 is actually pretty simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I'd like you to do is to log on to your Base44 account. If you don't have an account, you can check the description below and you'll find the link to register for a new account. Once that's done, once you log into your dashboard, this is what it's gonna look like. Now, on the left side of the side panel where you can toggle, what I'd like you to do is click on upgrade your plan. Once you click on upgrade your plan, you have different packages. You're going to choose the package that you want to choose. For the purpose of this video, we're going to click on Get Builder. Now we see the amount we're going to pay yearly. We're going to pay $40 per month if you're going to pay it yearly. But if you're going to pay monthly, we're going to have to pay $50 every month. So let's choose this and let's continue to check out. Now this is where you add your payment method on Base44. Now you can also see that in the link, Stripe is the processor for Base44 payments. So your payment details are not actually stored on Base44, which is actually a pretty secure way to handle payments. Now you can also choose to pay with Apple Pay, but that's going to ask you to connect your Apple ID account, or you can use a link, or you can decide to add your card information. And once you're done, you subscribe and your payment method should be added, and also your subscription should be activated. That's how to add payment method on Base44. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.